Of our President Sir, KB Sir, then we took lot of steps to open the college, because the very first thing is the learning environment should be good for all the students for learning. Meanwhile, there, as you are in the present generation, your comfortness is also important. We cannot compare our comfortness and your comfortness, and the way we studied and where you are going to study, because science and technology has improved a lot of facilities are available. According to that only your expectations will be there, and it is our duty to satisfy your needs as well. So that is why we took a decision to go for choosing the right place where we can give best education for our children. So in order to choose this place only, there also we have worked a lot. And particularly our Santosh sir, who is the owner of Education School, and they have helped us a lot in choosing the college place for the college, because we went around Davangere, where we have to start out of station and within Davangere and here and there. Like that we started choosing, and we were succeeded in choosing around 3 to 4 colleges, so places also, but it was not suitable for the students. And keeping this mind, and with the suggestion of Santosh sir and also KB sir, finally we took a decision of going for this place. And dear parents, you might have observed that here how the college place is there. Is there any disturbance? You cannot expect that. It is such a good environment, and there is good facility for parking and all, and good playground is there for our children. So because we have to see the holistic development of the student, keeping this in mind, we went for many things. So finally, so we have come to this stage. Definitely, I can not, it's a not promise, it's our commitment that our lecturers, our team are going to dedicate for your children's achievement, and whatever the expectation you have, we have decided to reach your expectation. And sir is also joint secretary of our academy, Dr. CNR Rao Academy. Sir's qualification is MSc MEd, and sir has got a teaching experience of more than 20 years, and all together total 20 years of teaching, 20 years of experience in education field. And in these 20 years, sir has worked as a teacher, sir has worked as lecturer, and he has also taken the various positions in the reputed institutions also. Sir he has taken the position of principal, director in many reputed institutions. In our college, sir is administrator. I'd like to introduce Mrs. Sahana Santosh. Madam, please do come front. Madam is a treasurer of Dr. CNR Rao Academy. Madam's qualification is BE, and do remember, Madam is also the director of Edu Asia Group of Institutions. She is looking after nearly 4 schools. Under her guidance only, the 4 schools are running. And just having a lecturer, is one part of our success means. But if the institution has to run in a successful way, then there must be proper guidance, who is already running the school and who also looked after the college. So it's our great honor to have Sahana Madam with us. Thank you, Madam. Another keystone of our college, Mr. Naveen Kumar KP. Sir is our principal. Sir's qualification is MCA, MPhil, MTech, BEd, and sir is also pursuing PhD. Once I repeat, MCA, MPhil, MTech, and BEd. Sir is also pursuing PhD. Such a great qualified person. We are very honored to have him as a principal. First principal, then followed by, he is also HOD of Computer Science Department, and he is very knowledgeable person, because personally I have spent a lot of time with from past few months, almost 1 year. So personally I know how sir is there. Definitely his guidance will also be a boon for our students, and through that, dear parents, the next lecturer, Mrs. Nirmala DK. Please do come front, madam. Madam is also the vice president of our college. Madam's qualification is MSc, MPhil, BEd, and madam is also pursuing PhD as well. MSc, MPhil, BEd, and PhD right now going on. And madam's teaching subject is biology, and madam has got experience of teaching even in the international level as well, because she has worked as a lecturer in some countries as well, Dubai and Saudi Arabia. And she has got a teaching experience of more than 15 years, more than 15 years. It's not a small amount of experience in the field of education, because they know each and every point in teaching what are the problems and how to solve them. So madam is ready to take that as a challenge, and madam is also very well versed in preparing the students, particularly for NEET in bio. Thank you, madam. Sir is also joint secretary of our academy, Dr. CNR Rao Academy. Sir's qualification is MSc MEd, MSc MEd, and sir has got a teaching experience of more than 20 years, and all together total 20 years of teaching, 20 years of experience in education field. And in these 20 years, sir has worked as a teacher, sir has worked as lecturer, and he has also taken the various positions in the reputed institutions also. Sir he has taken the position of principal, director in many reputed institutions. In our college, sir is administrator. So thank you very much, sir. Really, it is also boon for us to have such a great person with us. Another keystone of our college, Mr. Naveen Kumar KP. Sir is our principal. Sir's qualification is MCA, MPhil, MTech, BEd, and sir is also pursuing PhD. Once I repeat, MCA, MPhil, MTech, and BEd. Sir is also pursuing PhD. Such a great qualified person. We are very honored to have him as a principal. First principal, then followed by, he is also HOD of Computer Science Department, and he is very knowledgeable person, because personally I've spent a lot of time with from past few months, almost 1 year. So personally I know how sir is there. Definitely his guidance will also be a boon for our students, and through that, dear parents, now it's my pleasure to introduce Mr. Suhas AM. He is our, his qualification is MSc BEd, and he has got more than 15 years of experience in the teaching field, and his teaching subject is mathematics, and he is also very well academic planner. Particularly when I discussed about the academic plans, he has spent number of hours with me, and through that I can say that our college really going to have a very good academic plan with our president, with the guidance of these two people, Suhas sir as well as KB sir. Mrs. Bhavya Megharaj. So madam's qualification is BA BEd. She is also the director of our academy, Dr. C.N.R. Rao Academy. She is also the owner of, secretary of Gurukula International Turchgatta. Madam has also got very good experience in handling the students, not only that, in running the school as well. So even madam's guidance is also much required for us. Dear fellows, that is my dear students and my parents, you just observe our team here. All our background is only from education, only from education. We think of education, we eat education, we breathe education, and we work for giving good education for our students. It's a definitely, I can assure you all that our team is going to give you as best as possible from our side, because as I told you earlier, our lecturers, our team members are very well experienced, well qualified, they have good commitment, lot of qualities are there. Now I'd like to introduce Mr. Manjunath NG. Is a physics lecturer, and due to some unavoidable circumstances he is not able to join us, but let me tell you about him. Sir's qualification is MSc BEd, and his teaching experience is more than 15 years. More than 15 years.
ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಈಗಲೂ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇವಲ್ರಿ, ಆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನೀಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಇದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವ್ರು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವ್ರ ತರ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, 6 ರಿಂದ 8 ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಓದು, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 5ರಿಂದ 6, 6:30 ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಓದು. ನಾನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ವೇ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್. ನಾವು ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಹತ್ರ ಬರಕ್ ರೆಡಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೀವ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನಾ? ಎಸ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಳೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಗಿನ ನಾನು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಟೈಮ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸೈರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವೋ, then the difference is zero, and that zero is stress less. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಈಗ ನೀವೇ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಕ್ ಹೊಡೆದ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದವ್ರು. LKG ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್. ಸಂತೋಷ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮಾಮ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಕಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕಂದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟರ್ಸ್. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಗೆಲ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೊರಗಡೆದ ಏನು ಗೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಗೆಲ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಾಧ್ಯ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್. ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಒಂದೇ ಅವರಿಂದ ಗೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೀವು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಆ ಎನ್ವೈರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾವ್ರೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ, PUC ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ರಿ PUC ಲೆವೆಲ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲ